In this little video, I want to show you how to do a OneDrive restore. First of all, we have to get into the Backups 365 portal, select the customer under all of the customers that we want to do the restore for. In this case, it's Dream Team. I will then go into the OneDrive area over here, select the person I want to restore an individual file for in OneDrive. So first, we're going to look at the individual file. Over here, we have the option to either browse the drive for an individual file restore, or we can go to restore to do a full drive restore. So when I do an individual file restore, so we'll go to browse drive. I will then browse through Alice's drive. Let's say I want to look for something in documents. Let's just say we want to restore the end user brochure over here. I have two options of how to start this restore, either by ticking the file over here and clicking on restore. It will then by default select the original destination, which is Alice's drive, or I can choose another destination over here and click on restore, or I can click on the file name, and as an added option, it will allow me to select the version. If there was different versions of this file, I would be able to choose the latest version. By default, it selects the latest one. If I choose the option to just tick this and click on restore, it will also restore the latest version. I will then click on restore, and Backups 365 will now start to restore this file. So where will we now find this file? We'll get into Alice's OneDrive. I will just quickly refresh this. And over here, I already have the folder where this file has been restored into. So what happens in OneDrive, similar to all other areas, we will never overwrite a file. So for an individual file restore or for an individual item restore, we'll create a separate folder called restored with the date on when we did the restore. So in this case, the 11th of August. And then I can go in here. It keeps the path of the file so that we can easily put it back to where it was before. And over here, I have the end user brochure that we have just restored literally a minute ago. And you have seen how quickly this has happened. As soon as I've restored it, the file has already appeared in the OneDrive drive. Obviously, depending on the size of the file, it might take a little bit longer, but typically it is really, really quick, as you have seen.